I am sorry. Hi. On our first YouTube video, we already failed, so we were trying to record the first part of this, which isn't too much. We only added the glue and shaving cream, but it cut off, so now we're doing it on her phone.
Hello, and welcome to my amazing slime shop. Today we are making slime, as you can see, amazing slime. Oh god. And so first you add glue from Glue All, Elmer's, those bonds, and shaving cream. Yes. And so yes, mix, and then you add 5 pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
Foaming hand soap.
Foaming.
And then regular
and
hand
then
soap.
regular. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, let me talk because I have to record anyway. So.
Okay, now
you mix.
Mixy, lemon squishy. Good. I am trying to mix here. Where's my lotion? My amazing body lotion.
There's your lotion. You get this lotion is really good. I suggest getting this one, and this one only.
Know where it's from?
Bath and Shower Works.
It's from Bath and Body Works.
Yes.
This is why you do not let.
Stop! Don't touch the phone.
Person, well, has no idea what he is doing. Excuse me.
The lotion doesn't just give the smell; it also helps very much.
As you can tell, he is very terrible at acting and accents.
I'm good at acting, not good at accents.
He's not good at accent. I don't speak English. Help, I'm really blind. Next, we are going to be adding the shaving solution.
We promise she's not going great. She just fails at hair dye.
Oh crap, I forgot about that. I'm not terrible, I blame the brands. Yes, mommy! Oh crap.
Contact solution, not borax. Borax hurts your skin.
Oh, I hate borax. He was like, one day I went to his house and he was like, oh, you want to make slime? I'm like, yeah, so let me make slime. And then all of a sudden, I had a rash on my hands. And I was like, I hate you now. And he's like, I hate you too. And then I never went to his house again.
But now here she is.
But I'm not using borax because he's a little piece of Have a spoon. Jesus Christ. So we add eye contact solution. I'm a baker, so do not worry, I know what I'm doing. And there you go, you have your amazing slime.
Stretch it. Dot it.
ASMR.
It is a good slime. We do not add color because color ruins it.
Let's add color to this one.
Let's add color. I don't have anything other than black.
No, you have more in that box.
No, I don't. Oh, I do. I do have a box.
I know his house better than he knows his house. That's weird. Ooh.
This is Amazon Basics. I do not have more in a box.
Yeah, you do.
This box? Ooh, I have more in the box. Glitter?
Yes, I'm making a unicorn.
Glitter? Okay.
Okay, give me purple.
Purple.
Paper.
Here's pink.
No.
No, that's red.
Purple, pink, and blue.
Ooh.
Purple.
Blue. Don't you want yellow?
No. Okay, so next we are going to add color.
Whatever, I can't close the box.
Roger you, pink. Roger you.
Oh.
So we're just going to be redneck.
She's
and
split
we're
it
just going to
up
just,
into four.
four.
So don't you want yellow then?
No. I want white in it.
Oh.
So now we added a lot, and we're just gonna pretend like
We're just gonna mix that in.
And we're just gonna mix it, you know, like this. Oh God, what have I done with my life? Obviously, I've made bad life choices. I'm hanging out with Randy. Amazing slime.
By the way, I'm Randy.
I'm Amelia. Hey, Lowell.
I forgot that there was a flip button.
Kitty. Where did Kitty go? Kitty's gone. Bye, Kitty.
So you want to add the color in afterwards, otherwise it'll mess up the slime.
It's true.
We found that out.
True. Randy tried making brown slime and it turned out poop. Fantastic. Oh no.
Oh no, Add foaming hand soap so you can get the paint off. No, so you can get the paint off of your.
Whoa, no, oh no, that's gonna be real purple.
It's gonna be real purple.
And pink because, hello, my name is Amelia and I am a mess up. We're just gonna do it over our amazing sign. Okay, and there's your amazing slime. Hopefully you're hot. Just kidding. I'm not. Bye.
What the heck? You are bi.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. The table's dead. I just covered the phone with my hand.
Good job. You were an amazing cameraman.
Yes. This is why I work on
I
stage.
killed the unicorn.
This is why I work on stage, not
I
off
killed the
stage.
unicorn.
So now you would add blue and then yellow instead of white, but she's moron.
You're a moron.
Yellow is amazing color.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's the best color in the world.
Orange is an amazing color.
You suck. I hate you forever. Orange is the worst color in the world. I think I've been covering up the sound hole this entire time.
Most likely. Ugh.
I gave you a glimpse of the paints. Ah, stop, Amelia. I can't hardly catch these, and I need to catch these because I don't want to lose them.
Flip around the camera and look at your hair.
You suck!
You just smeared it even more.
I know, I'm pink.
Down your neck. Why isn't this blue working? It works. I'm gonna do like every other YouTuber. I'm gonna do an ASMR slime.
Oh, and be like every other YouTuber and like, oh my god, I don't want to touch it.
Oh my god, I don't want to touch it. I already killed the unicorn and gutted it, but I don't want to touch this.
What the heck? Just add glitter to the white one.
Hey, I'm gonna mix them all together so it don't matter, bro.
You know it's gonna turn out green, right?
Don't touch me.
Just add it to the white one. Just the white one. Thank you. Amelia!
It's okay, I can clean it up.
Yes, you can. Got it all over on the other slimes. Amelia.
We're trying to get glitter.
Your hands look like a 4-year-old's after school.
And now they
Do
are.
4-year-olds go to school?
No.
Yeah, they do.
They don't.
Kindergarten, 4 to 5.
All preschool. Okay, so now that we have completely ruined everything, we are going to do that, and then we're going to roll it up. It looks like something.
You don't want to play with it and mix it.
Oops.
You want to do kind of that, but nothing more, because you don't want to cover up any of the colors.
Ta-da! And now you have made amazing colorful slime with amazing hands.
Bye-bye. Wait, we have to have a cool ending. Like, you know, Nigahiga has tee-hee. We have to have a cool ending.
And we are out.
Yes, and we hit you with slime. Bye.